are going to love the 2019 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 200 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, compass, electronic stability control, brake assist, tachometer, overhead console, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, tilt steering wheel, rear view camera, front reading lamps, passenger vanity mirror, speed control, front wheel independent suspension, 4-piece floor mat set. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.